Getting your new AirPods Max 2 connected to your iPhone should feel quick and effortless, but if you've never paired them before, it can be a little confusing at first. Apple has designed the connection process to be almost automatic, yet there are still a few key steps that make everything work smoothly. Whether you're setting them up for the first time or reconnecting after a reset, knowing the exact process saves you time and avoids frustration. Once connected properly, you'll unlock features like instant switching, spatial audio, and seamless syncing across your Apple devices. The entire setup only takes a minute or two, and after that, your AirPods Max 2 will connect automatically every time you use them. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your AirPods Max 2 by taking them out of the case or holding the noise control button. Step 2. Unlock your iPhone and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 3. Bring your AirPods Max too close to your iPhone and wait for the setup animation to appear. Step 4. Tap Connect on your iPhone screen when the pop-up shows up. Step 5. If no pop-up appears, press and hold the noise control button until the light flashes white, then connect via Bluetooth settings. Step 6. Follow any on-screen instructions and confirm the connection is complete.